Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are here in Wilson's Run and we are visiting Rayan. Alright, so please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once you post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so we would have done the long journey up. You know, for those of you who would have watched us, the first interview would have seen us doing the journey up. So today we did not record the journey, but we're here at the gate and we are waiting for him to come down. We are not getting him on the phone because the phones don't work. I don't know if it is the...
Probably just the location.
Yeah, probably the phone. So anyhow, we asked somebody to call him. So we're here waiting because we have a number of items to take up. And we have to say thanks to all our donors. We'll talk more about that in a little while, but for now we are just waiting because we need this help as well to bring up all the things that we have this morning. All right, so waiting.
See one hand swing this a while ago.
Just see one hand swing.
Him swinging your hand.
Oh, no, that's Andre. Oh, come Andre, come. Okay, so we see him coming, guys.
You see him there?
Mm-hmm. All right. I see Rayan. That's little Rayan coming up from up the road. You see him?
Mm-hmm.
But there, man. How are you?
Morning, Aya.
There, you know, put this smile.
Yeah, I know.
All is well?
Yeah, so far.
Okay.
So far.
Yes, man. Okay, so we come this morning and we have one whole heap of something.
John.
Looking at car trunk. You see all of that?
Yeah.
Yes, those things are for you guys. So we need help to bring them up here now.
Yeah.
Where I'm gone?
Where Rayan gone?
Yeah, you know.
Him not well?
Yeah, man, him good man I do. So him and me and them have a little issue. Him run me out the yard and go up so go sleep last night.
Uh-oh.
Me and them have a serious issue.
Oh.
For them mother now, from when him left out the yard, they don't want to come down for him daddy so. And him now come back up there. Up there for a man and see if I can clean up and see if I can get the place up there. Straighten up away, you know. That's why me alone up there. And so she and more while, more so every time. And me and him have one like argument, him take for himself and come down and so come lie down for you know. Him not really want to help me do nothing in the yard. Nothing, and I have to go a bush, come back and come do everything. So I ask you if he have clothes to put on. He say no. I pass on the yard, I see this little youth, I take out bath in front of him. I wash him mother lie down in a house. In a city. I say, what you do? He say, I wash daddy, I wash out one suit of clothes to put on. I say, I don't ask that, I ask what you do? Where your mother there, in there in a house lie down? I say, them a joke thing, bros. Come left around that. You can't do them a same thing. His sister call me where they ask me, say, oh, you picking them tanks up? I say, oh. He must say, look how Andre dirty and look how he smell. I said, then Sanji not tell me, say, beat them off, them I tell me, say, Sanji not even look upon them.
Oh no. Need a lot of help there, so man.
Yeah, no, I tell you.
So them run out of clothes, because them clothes not wash.
I pack out all them clothes and give them mother to wash them. Go up there now. I lie down in there. So you see that window there, you see right there? So?
Yeah.
Right, then lie down, I in a one I set it. But in brother them, all of them, so one of them there. In brother, and one live there. So even last night, I go down there talk to him. And I tell him what I go on, this man here. I raise the voice for me, I tell me something left and this with me nice. And, you see me? Yeah, so none of them, none of them fi say yo when you see a woman run out of her house and come down here, so none of them fi say go and back up a yard to your baby father and go help your baby father do something in a yard. You see me? Me lay down last night, I saw me a chimp. I did that, me and my mother a reason. And I saw me a feel look for my mother and I tell my mother, I say, Mommy, I don't know really what go on for me still, you know.
Yes.
But a whole heap of things me even hide from my baby mother, me hide it from me youth them. You know, a whole heap of time me did and me lie down in my bed after me done work at the time and come in. Me lie down and me just see like me want to vomit. And when me go out the door and me vomit, a beer blood me a pass out. Cause we lick them when me they get there, so them did tell me say me no for work so till up to 1 year and thing. But me can't just sit down so and I do nothing. You see, Pre?
So you know go to the doctor go check out and see what that is?
Oh, me no go back there go check out. For them I tell me say pill them what them give me, it all work for me hand and it all work for me chest same way. So I saw me did there and find out. Me not even could have met there no. I saw me did there and when me find out say blood me a pass out. Me have to dig one hole and vomit in it and cover it, but me not even down there see it.
So the medication where you get finished?
Yeah, finish good time now. About a month.
But maybe you should have go back, man, if it's even at the hospital and check out what's happening.
No. No, if you do something.
All right.
Sometimes I just me alone and fear.
You feel the pressure?
Sometimes I'm tired, so till I just chimble, me a chimble, like me just a chimble. No, I feel the same. So me did there for a man and a woman for did there wash up some plate and thing. I may have to wash up plate and see if me can. Not even worry about it.
All right, make we see how we can organize this so we can bring them up. When you carry this.
You can carry this?
Yeah, give him those. Hold them good here. Put one in one hand.
Put one in it.
And one in the other. You can bring that.
Put it in your this.
Maybe you can bring this juice for the boys. And then we might have to make 2 trips in because.
I have to go up and come back.
So you want to go up and come back?
Yeah, I have to go up and come back.
All right. So I have this.
If you want to carry this, I'm going to bring it.
What? All right. Make we see all this. We could do. We could maybe carry this. Lord Jimmy, just spend the whole time I lock this, but it open back. Come on, Jay. See if I can bring that one here, baby. Let's see. Scare that one here light. Are you, Daddy? No. You want to bring this one?
Yeah.
Me carry this. All right, and that's us.
Yeah, man.
Yes. All right, let's go.
Actually, my hide, you know.
Who?
Is it?
Your son?
Come on, let me talk to you.
Ryan.
Ryan, come here.
Oh no. So when him sleep, Ryan?
And I'm a virgin. So up there, tell me saying come up there last night and up there and sleep.
You know the night you go up there?
Yeah.
So you never know when they all night?
Me know say up there, me know say when he left from up a yard for me, I sure say him do something well terrible, you see? So I try to school them feet and him run. This one and no run. He turn up and me and him sleep a yard even last night. This one I ever show me respect.
Okay.
This one I don't have none for me. None at all. Him and his mother have the same mind.
Alright, I'm going to deal with him good this morning.
Hi, morning. Come Ryan, help me bring up this. Morning, hold it good. Go on. Oh, you have everything.
Go on up, go take a sip one. Very nice horse. Okay, Emma.
Please.
Yeah, how me blow?
Man. Almost there. Almost the place. Wet to Marzel. It's slippery. Woo. Oh. No, sir. This is where we rest. Wow. The hill is very tough. Not true. You have to move for it. Okay. Much prefer going down than coming up. Okay.
Go up on the bed and
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, man, realize. Walk over the side here. Ooh.
I did a try if you wash off the place this morning.
Oh,
So
but that's why they.
so
Water.
Come down this one now.
Oh, Lord. Where you put this stuff?
In the house.
Oh, me know where you put them in yet. Because
Oh.
see if I can put them on the zinc.
Yeah, that now that's why they kind of wet.
Yeah, but you see how we gotta deal with that thing?
Yeah.
Put your stuff there. No, put your bag on the ground. Put it.
Some lime, some bogo lime.
Oh, yeah, look like you look.
Yeah,
Alright,
banana too.
just lay them here. So, yeah, man. Fix them up good like how you have them over there. So put your yam and stuff.
Up here, that here.
Yeah. And then.
The yam, guys.
Whew.
Look at the yam.
All of that yam are ours, Ryan?
Yeah, man.
Oh, God bless you.
Yeah, man.
God bless you richly. Me hear you say I go look yam for me and think of so much.
You can't go market.
So we feel there.
Eh?
You have.
Man, yeah, man.
Oh.
Yeah,
But I get yam.
yeah.
Alright.
Come here, come pan here and come put this in there.
Alright. Yeah, so you were saying what?
Yeah, them reach out to me, them say them never know say something kind of did I live. So
Oh, okay.
me get a couple book there for me youth them.
Oh, good. You get writing books.
Yeah, me get toothpaste, toothbrush. Them bring come give me them. Them bring a khaki and shoes too, you know. Yeah, them bring one suit of khaki for me. One suit of khaki for that one day.
Oh, so you get to. So look here. What kind of khaki them bring? Is it a regular shirt?
Yeah.
Because the principal told us that.
One.
Oh,
I may have to go to Laga then also.
For adjust it?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so me ever do them a year time, same just buy them ready make and put it.
You know, say same thing I say.
You we could have do that.
Get the material and
What is
get the
this?
shirt and
Oh.
And put the pocket here, so we do it a year time.
Because we're, yeah, but we're trying to get to you and, you know, we just could not.
Yeah.
So we ended up buying the material. So what's
That, yes.
Okay. All right, so Rayan,
Yeah.
after the interview, a lot of persons would have reached out and they have donated. All right, that's why yesterday, whole heap of bags and so on. So, you know, of course, guys, I have to walk with my paper this morning, just so I don't forget anybody. All right, so we have a donor who, this very same day, her husband and her landed in Jamaica. We were able to meet up with them in Mandeville. And so she gave us some money and we were able to buy the boys' textbooks. So this bag here.
So they getting the thing there?
What?
E-book.
Yes, we got it from the principal.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
obviously I would
yes, so guys.
John, why is it? I'm not ready for school September,
Yeah,
no.
so guys, see the textbooks them here. So we did not get two. One for Andre and one for Ryan. One of them is not yet at the bookshop, but it's paid for, so it's just a matter for us to pick it up when it arrives. And the other one that they don't have, they said they don't sell it, so that one we still have to go look for and see if we can find it. They have never seen it before. Right, so you have all your textbooks. So now take care of them, you know. You hear? All right.
Take care of them, learn.
And learn, yeah. So you have to do homework and all of that. Can go out and on the road in the evening, spend time in your books, okay? Okay? Ryan, you know, answer? Okay. All right, so let me put these back because I don't want it to slide off and drop. All right, so in addition to the books, the same donor we are talking about now, the one we met up in Mandeville with, she gave us this bag.
Okay.
And this bag have clothes for you and the children, right? So that's for you. And also, we were able to buy the boys' school shoes. Same donor.
Okay. John.
Yeah. So we're able to buy your sneakers. And I remember you say, Ryan is size 7.
Yeah.
So, right? So,
really appreciate it, huh?
yes, man. And I have school socks too. Is blue socks in the wear? Navy blue socks?
Yeah.
This color?
Yeah.
All right, so you have school shoes and school socks. So that's the donor. We want to say thank you very much. God bless you richly.
God.
And may your
Really
store basket
yeah, man. We'll
never be empty.
We'll never empty, man.
Yes.
From generation to generation, you know?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, what bless you follow you all the day, your life through your pitney, they will never suffer. Swear.
Yeah, well said. All right, we're not done yet, you know.
Yeah.
All right, so we have another donor who she sent us the money and she wanted us to get the uniform. But like we were talking about the uniform a while ago, they have the uniforms, but when we reached out to the principal, we realized that it's not the regular khaki top with the one pocket, it's the bush jacket. Right, so we couldn't get that. So what we did was to buy the uniform material. And when we spoke to you regarding the tailor, you're never too sure. So anyhow, that same gentleman you mentioned, what's his name? Don't remember his name. Lager. Right. So Marcel got a hold of him and we made arrangement this morning. So he's gone to the bush now, so we won't see him. But we told him that we'll leave the material with you and we'll leave the payment for the uniforms. Right. So there's enough material there to make khaki for both boys and they're already paid for. We're going to leave that with you as well. All right. And in addition, the same donor that contributed to the khaki, she wanted us to spoil the boys, she said, and buy them some stuff where they don't normally eat, like them chips and all of that. So that big box you saw Ryan with earlier, right, is for the boys, your snacks and everything you need, all right? And the juice.
Yeah.
Okay? All right, and she also contributed the money to pay for the tailoring. All right, so really thank you, donor. Big up yourself. And she has also made a commitment to cover lunch. Because another donor would have covered lunch. I'm going to get into that. But in addition to the khaki and the groceries and so on, she has made a commitment to cover lunch at the school for, I think, the month of we said October, but it wouldn't need to be October. It would need to be November, because I'm moving to the next donor now who would have contributed. So I'm moving to the next donor who contributed lunch money. So she sent lunch money for both the boys to cover 2 months, 2 full months.
Whoa.
So you have no excuse not to be in school, because you have a textbook, you have a uniform.
Yeah, you have your lunch money.
You have your lunch money. So no excuse.
Yeah.
All right. So let me look again. All right. So we have a donor as well. She and her husband sent money for you, and in our conversation she did mention, you know, just give it to you because she heard you talking about, you know, the things for the house. So she did say zinc, but we know you already have the zinc, so you can do, you know, dedicate that to plywood or so, however you see it fit in terms of the building. All right. And then finally, you know, other donors that we have would have sent, and that we will hand over to you. They would have sent money, we'll hand over to you when we are through. All right. So I just want to say a big thank you to all the donors. Thank you for reaching out, and thank you so much, because of your donation, the boys will be in school. You know, and you can see Daddy look a little overwhelmed. All right, and I forgot to mention a number of things. We brought clothes. This big bag here, so these are clothes for the boys. And these now came from the barrels that we would have collected. You know, over the time we would have gotten barrels from our donors, and we're able to go in and pick out clothes for the boys. And shoes for you, and another bag here that has clothes for you, your baby mother, and the boys as well. What is this? Oh, this is the khaki material.
You know, say every day I get up, I pray, I go to my bed, I pray. I never know, say, I always curse God. I say, God don't remember me, you know. God don't come like God no. He remember, so I live here. So. This morning, kind of see it, say, God remember me, God just see that take one good time with me.
Your time in a master.
Yeah.
God time.
Just see that take one, look now.
Yeah. Yeah, man, God be praised, indeed.
The day them laugh off and me picking them how them not go to school, and never see them yet come and say, yo, me give you one lunch money for go to school. Even them uncle them done so. Them never one day look for me and say, you know, me I give you one lunch money. I can send it to them at school.
Yes, man. The Lord has provided, you know? Yeah. Church, right? Yes. So, the shoes that we brought here, these are from the barrels also for you guys. So before we leave, because, you know, we're not sure the sizes, so before we leave, we wanted to try and even the school shoes to make sure that they fit. If they don't fit, then we'll have to return and do an exchange. But I'm almost sure, like a 98%, that they will fit. But these now that we brought from barrels that we had before, would love for you to try them to see if they fit you. So you have a couple pairs will, maybe about 5 or 6, I suppose, in here. Right? All right, so, yeah.
Yeah, man, Jano. Jano for real.
Yes. All right, and we want to.
He may have to thank first, you know.
Eh?
Absolutely.
Thank you first.
Yeah, man.
I don't know.
Yeah.
There is no words can explain right now how I feel.
Yeah.
Just feel real great.
Feel real great.
Real great.
Yeah, man.
No.
Yeah, man. We are happy to be a part of the greatness. All right. Boys, how you feel? Are you happy? Huh? I saw you look happy. All right. So, once again, to our donors, thank you very much for reaching out. We are more than appreciative.
Fully,
and you can see how Dad is overwhelmed and very grateful. All right. So, yeah. You have anything extra you want to say? Lost for words.
last word. But
Just big up your don. Just big them up and tell them thank you.
say, first and foremost, for big no. No come like a mother to me, a father, and a mother to me son them, and a father to me son them, a mother and a father where it just come like we never have road, we none at all.
Yes.
Yeah, we did it, I'm not telling no lie, we suffer a lot. Them go through a lot. Since from where they come done, I kind of find out say changes are going for them in them life.
Yes.
It just come in like, you know, you don't go to church and you're baptized and you come become a new someone. I can see, even though them did a beard, but now we come like them a beard, you know, with
the blessings.
Oh God.
Yes.
To me donors them, all who send things to me, all who do things to me, you them really appreciate. Me, as me say, me no wish, me just I tell you, your food basket will never, ever, your son, your daughter, none of them will never come in need, not even water. Them will ever happy. Your family will ever happy. My mother, my father. You see them?
Yes, with sons.
So we have son and grandson.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, man. We're happy that you're happy.
I watch you. Me did it for me daddy and me I say when you send the video come give me now me daddy and me I go through now for me I say rope so me start run through the page and me I see how a whole heap of people no help out.
Yeah.
Yeah, a whole heap and a whole heap of people talk about. For even my sister call me and my sister say, yeah, me know them lady for me, I follow them on YouTube and thing. And me see greatness where them a go through, where them a deal with for people. And I say, John, no. Me just, John.
Yes, man. Blessings, holy blessings, you know?
Holy.
Yes.
Abundantly. Abundant.
Yeah.
Abundant. Oh.
All right, guys, and we don't want to close out before we tell you thanks for the yam. Me not come and expect to see so much yam. Guys, like, look.
Banana.
Oh, God, this
look like you dig up the whole farm. Check this box here.
This is Lisa.
Yeah. Chocho. This is bugger lime.
Yeah.
Whole heap of bugger lime. Chocho. Me know enough away viewers and subscribers just wishing they could maybe get some of this to make some lemonade right now.
Right now.
Yes, man. And in this, and look, this is about half bag of pear. Oh, we are doing so much pear. All right, we're going to share it up. And the yam and the banana, we thank you very much.
We have to find somebody to give you.
Yeah.
This is at least a what I do for it.
Yeah.
This one I do for you. Oh, God. We should have done more.
Yeah.
But you know more.
We are more than grateful because we weren't expecting. Yeah. We weren't expecting and you didn't have to.
You never have to do that.
Yeah. But we are grateful because last time we came, when we reached down by the road, Rayan was like, oh, and you know, me did have one pumpkin, me should have really did give one, you know. And me I said, no man, that's fine. And he must say, no man, me I go for it. Came for the pumpkin, gave us the pumpkin. And guess what happened, guys? He didn't know this, but we did the interview with the Winds in Mandeville. Yeah. And because of their situation and the eating situation with them, we gave them the pumpkin. And they were more than grateful. Yeah, so, you know, we're passing on the blessing.
Yeah, man. To give and give to get, you know.
Yes. Well, thank you so much. And, you know, we pray that your situation will just continue to get better.
Oh, okay.
You know, we see that you work hard and you try very hard. So we're praying that, you know, things will just continue to improve and the Lord will continue to bless you richly.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
Yes, you are welcome. All right, guys. So with all of that said, this is where we end the video for today. And of course, thanks to all our donors. everyone, those who sent us barrels from time to time, who talk to us, who donating, you know, any way that you can, if it's even a conversation. God bless you richly. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican.
My blessing. My blessing.
Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye. All right.
May the good Lord go with you same way.
Absolutely.
Enough respect.
Yeah.
Real Rasta.
Andre hiding. Where Rayan gone? Where him there?
Come right here, sir.
Why you there run behind the tree? All right.
Come every day. Come on,
Come meet me and you talk. All right, guys. Blessed love. Stay safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.